Place of supply in relation to immovable property in the location of immovable property. Suppose a road is constructed from Delhi to Mumbai, covering multiple states. What will the place of supply of construction service? So the place of supply in relation to immovable property. So construction service from Delhi to Mumbai, road is being paved. For this, it is a service. What is the rate of GST? 18 percentage. Construction service. So now place of supply of this construction. So the length of the construction in respective states from Delhi to Mumbai, the length of that will be constituted as service. Length along with the amount which is being sanctioned, it will be taken into consideration in determining the supply of service. In the immovable properties located in more than one state, the place of services is treated as per each of the state in proportion to the value of service separately collected or determined in terms of contract and in terms of agreement entered into in the regard or in the absence of such contract or absence of such agreement on such of the reasonable basis as may be prescribed in the behalf. Explanation section 1213 of IGST Act domestic supplies. So based upon the agreement, based upon the contract, what is the service has been done, based upon that, the amount to be considered. If there is no basis of contract, the agreement is there, the actual work has been done in the various states to be considered on a proportionate basis. The total supply value to be proportionate based on the work what they perform. Then from that, the value of supply to be determined in respective states.